What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. First story of the day is Nest's next speaker. Now, remember, Nest used to be Google Home, at least the speakers were called that. Now they are going to be called Nest speakers, and they've been like that for I think about a year at this point. They're coming out with a new one, and they've released an official photo to XDA developers, and here it is. Some people say it looks like a loaf of bread, at least a little bit. It looks beefy. It looks like it's gonna be, it looks like it's gonna be quite sizable, which means I think it's gonna have amazing sound. At least you would expect it to. No pricing info or anything like that, or release date info, but you would assume it's very, very soon because it's also passed through the FCC. Just a moment of time until we get the new Nest Home speaker. Next up, real photos of the Galaxy Tab S7 have come out through certification. At least you can see what it looks like here. Not a ton to look at because it's just a slab, a slate, whatever you want to call it. But again, this is a Tab S7 and Tab S7 Plus, and this is what they look like with the screen turned off. Speaking of the Tab S7 Plus, as you know, we talked about specs yesterday, which if you haven't seen that video, definitely watch it. But one thing that wasn't talked about in there, we know it's going to have, is 120 hertz refresh rate on the display. Well, what about the resolution at 120 hertz? Here you go. This comes from your favorite Chun is back. I said, what resolution at 120 hertz? He responded back to me saying, uh-oh, full HD again. So it looks like Tab S7 Plus, if you want to run it at 120 hertz, it's going to be 1080p plus. Come on. Come on, Samsung. And the last story of the day, and I think the best story of the day, Galaxy Bud Live earphones. Yeah, I said it right. Earphones. This is going to be what they look like. These look to be real pressed renders coming out here, showing off the case and the colors of these. Looks like white, bronze, and black. You can see the L and R on the case, at least on this bronze one's pretty easy to see. Then you see the little connectors where they'll connect into, the earphones will connect into the case when they charge. It looks, maybe it's small, but from the photo, it looks kind of big. But again, well, I guess we'll have to wait and see how big it is, but it definitely looks fairly large for the most part. Here's a larger look at the earbud itself. You can see the little speakers in there and all that stuff. And so it looks pretty interesting. Definitely looks like a bean. And these are supposed to come out, I believe, at about $149.99. And they should be out very, very soon, maybe within the next couple of weeks. At that point, guys, your question of the day is, are you gonna buy these? Are you excited about these? I keep asking, what color are you gonna get as well? I don't think I'd get the bronze. I don't think I would. We'll see if that changes, but I'm thinking white or black. I wish they had another cool color, and you assume more cool colors will come out as time goes on. Maybe a red, maybe a blue, maybe blah, 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 pink, whatever. You can almost guarantee that more colors will come out for these earphones, just based off what they've done with the Bud Pluses and such, with the different color schemes as well. Thanks for watching. See you down the road. Peace.